What's up, guys? TJ here, back with another vlog. And I actually wasn't going to be vlogging today because I was just going to go ride and have some fun and not worry about recording everything. But you know what? As I sit here stuck in traffic headed to where I'm riding, I thought to myself, you know what? Why not? So here I am. Today, going to head up to a private track with a couple of buddies. And it was supposed to be all cloudy, but right now it's looking like it's not going to be that way. Hopefully it stays this way. Look, as I said, stuck in traffic. Blue skies, Colorado traffic, bike in the back. What more can you ask for? But yeah, so hoping to have a good day. It will be a good day. I don't want to hope it's going to be a good day. It will be a good day. I'm excited just to ride. Last weekend went and rode with just my son at Aztec and had a great time. Unfortunately, I had a buddy of mine go down and hurt himself, but thankfully he's okay and he's not too badly hurt. But nonetheless, my goal today is to keep it on two wheels, which I think is the goal every time I ride. But yeah, I just want to have fun. I do want to start working on some whips though, because I told myself this summer I am going to learn how to whip. Do you hear me? I am going to learn how to whip this summer. That's my goal for the summer. So today, I think that's one of my things that I'm going to practice on is trying to whip. So we'll see how that goes. Other than that, I just want to have fun riding my dirt bike. You know, I'm not out here trying to be Axel Hodges or YO or what have you. But I might just get there one day if I keep trying. So probably not. But anyways, let's get to it. All right, back with another episode of Traffic Talks with TJ. As we head out to the track, we're stuck in traffic. And yeah, as you can see, we're slowly getting there. Just one stop and go at a time. Oh no, oh no. And it's a rental too. Empower Field at Mile High. Let's go Broncos. Downtown Denver, look at her. Isn't she beautiful? It's my city. Uh-oh, bad boy, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? All right, so we left the city. We're out here in the country where the farms and the chickens at. All right, so just made it out here and the track has been changed. There's no water on it. It's a little dry, but nonetheless, I mean, what can you ask for? It's a track and a dirt bike, you know? Can't be too picky, right? So we're gonna get geared up and head on out. What's up, dog? What's up, dog? What's up, dog? What's happening, bruh? Woo. All right, guys, so this is not how I wanted to record an outro, but unfortunately took a spill at the end of the day over that double. And basically, I realized that I was going too fast, tried to let off the throttle, and basically it was a very peaked takeoff, which by doing so just caused me to go nose dive. And I tried to panic rev to get the bike to pull up, but unfortunately it kind of kicked in a little bit to the side, which caused me to land kind of crooked, and tried to hold on to it, but yeah, just went down. So, but nonetheless, man, thank you to everybody who was there, who helped me just get into the car and get me to the hospital. I ended up with a dislocated shoulder, and I had 2 fractures, I think around my shoulder. I don't quite remember exactly where they're at, but nonetheless, I am okay. They were able to get my shoulder back into place, and now I just got to go follow up and try to get a probably another MRI from my orthopedic surgeon and make sure everything is you know, okay. So yeah, it was a great day. You know, unfortunately until the end, I ended up being able to end up doubling that roller section, which was really cool. It's quite an accomplishment for me because I don't think I've ever double rollered. So I thought that was pretty cool. So, you know, unfortunately, I'm gonna be, you know, down for the count for just a little bit, but you know, we're gonna bounce back. I'm still gonna make videos, hopefully not like the video I just made, but you know, heal up and get back to riding. So if you're not already, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Until I see you guys next time, peace.